Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna continue the employee onboarding application. So in the previous session, I have posted about the initial steps of creating an employee onboard application. So first, what we did was we have created multiple users, and then we have created the loaded the objects, required objects, and we have created an application. Now, in this session, we will learn about how to create an employee onboarding application with an admin page. Second one is to create an employee page and also department page and training page in admin page. So next one is to create an employee email template. So these are the two tasks which we are gonna create now. So go to employee application and click on create. Okay, so first you have to go to your application. After going to your application, so in the previous session I have showed you how to create your application. Okay, so now click on the application and you have to click create page, okay, which is on the right to this. So always make sure you are on to your application. You should not go to some other application and create click. So under in go to shared components, go to navigation and search, click navigation menu, again click navigation menu. So now you can able to see there will be a lot of entries there. Okay, so what you have to do means you have to create a list entry, since because we are creating an administration page, right? So for this we are going to navigation menu. So go to create list entry. So here you have to create a list entry. So you have to give the image or class as fa database user. Okay, so what all I'm giving, you have to give it there also. So next what I am doing is I am entering the list entry label. So the list entry label is administration. So next you have to go to your target page. So here I don't want target, so I'm giving it as target page. So you have to click, after this you have to click on the create list entry. So since I have already created this navigation menu, so I am not clicking create list. So next what you have to do means, so we are gonna create this employee page and we are gonna create department page and at last training catalog page. So what you have to do means we are gonna create only this page now. These three pages what all I'm showing you we are gonna create. So first we have to create this. So how to create this means I will be showing you. So go to your application and inside your application click create page. So click the page and choose a blank interactive report. Okay, so for employee we want interactive reports, so choose interactive report and click. Here you have to enter your name, page number you can choose whatever you want. Name is I'm giving it as employees. So what all I'm typing you have to create it. So next page mode is normal and include form page on. Next I'm giving the form page name as credit or it is create or edit employee. Okay, so here the form page mode is drawer. So next data sources, here I'm giving it as the table name. So here the table name is employees. So enter and search it, you can able to see, since because in the previous step we have loaded our objects, right? So from there we'll be able to load our data here, table name. So next turn off the toggle breadcrumb, and for navigation same, and for parent navigation entry choose the administration. Okay, so this is how you can able to create it. So after this you have to give the icon. So here I'm giving the icon as fa users. Okay, next you have to give next. In the next page it will be asking the primary, so you don't need to do any changes there. In the next page also you have to click next, so that your page will be created. So as I have already created, I'm not clicking the next. So this is how the page will be looking now. So here you can able to see the employees page. Again on the top right click the plus and click page. Now you have to choose interactive grid. So this is for department page. Okay, so first we have created the employees, so next is department. So department, I'm giving the name as department. Next in data source, the same as equals a table, and here the table name is departments. In the previous we entered employees, right? So here you have to give the departments. So after the departments you have to move to your editing enabled, toggle on, use breadcrumb toggle on, and likewise same as parent breadcrumb administration and icon. Here you have to change the icon. Here what you have to change it means fa address. Okay, so it will be of address card. Okay, address card. Oh, this will be the icon. So likewise also same, click on the next, same the repeating also on the next page, click next. So now you can able to see you have been created a department page. Okay, sorry, you have created department page only. So next again we have to create another one page. So in administration we are creating three pages: employees, departments, and training catalog. So we have created employees and department. Now for training catalog we have to go to next page. Here I'm choosing it as content row. So again here you have to give the name. So here I'm giving the name as training catalog. So in the previous we have created employees and department, here training. So next you can able to change the page number whatever you want and toggle off the breadcrumb. And next for parent navigation, same administration, and then click next. So you can able to see that your training catalog page has been created. So for employees and training page you will be having the edit page. Okay, so for employee we have created two page, and also for the edit page we have to create another so sorry, for the training and catalog page we have to create another one page. So if I go back, and don't forget to click save. Okay, so training catalog, so inside the training catalog you have to click on the page and you have to create another page. So likewise we have created for employee, for create and edit, right? So for this training and catalog also you have to create and edit. So click on the region and you have to click the source as SQL region, select start from training catalog, click the validation, and then you have to save it. So this is how you will be creating this training page. So next we will be moving to the next step. So the next step will be off. Here you have to give the template and standard. So in the training and catalog also go to the attributes, and here so for the attribute you have to select this. So in overline you have to search or type as training catalogs. Next you have to choose like this, click on the three dots so you can able to choose it. So next for title, training name. So for description only, and for miscellaneous I will be giving the description, giving what all you have to upload in the description, so you can able to refer what all you have to upload there. So this is how you have to create this training catalog. So next we have to create another page, right? So for creating and editing, so for that what you have to do is on the top right you can able to see the plus icon there. So you have to click on the plus icon like how we used to create for employees. So after this don't forget to save. Okay, so I'm giving it as plus page. So here what you have to choose means what you will be choosing. So you have to choose it as form. So in form I'm giving the name it as create or edit training catalog. Since it is a training catalog I'm giving it as create or edit training catalog page. So in page mode it is of normal, sorry, the page mode it is of drawer, and in source SQL query. Here you have to give the table name. The table name is training catalog, right? So you have to search and you have to type it there. So you can able to see the training catalog page will be created. You have to search it according to the name training. If you click type training itself you can able to see. So next you have to click it on next page, next, so that your next page will be created. So what we did here is we have created the navigation menu for administration, and we have created three pages: employee, creating or editing employee, after that department, after the training catalog, editing training catalog page. Okay, so you can able to see you have created this create or edit training catalog page. So this is how you will have to create a employee onboarding dashboard. So first in the previous step we have created the we have seen about how to create multiple users and how to load the objects and how to create an application. So in this session we are learning how to create the administration navigation onto employee and to create pages, department page and training catalog page. So go to this training, create a training catalog. In page item training type, choose the LOV as static value and type it this. So here for virtual, return value virtual, classroom. Okay, so and don't forget to click on save. So this is how you have to load the objects, sorry, you have to make the changes. LOV means, so if you click on it will be of select list. Okay, so you can able to select it, so that only we are using the lov here for static values. Next, go to training name page item. So in that you have to change the template as required floating and value required validation toggle on. So likewise you have to do it for training type. So training type, here you have to give the template option as required floating and the value required toggle on. Also for estimated horse and target organs, you have to give the template as required floating validation on. Also at last for target audience required floating, and at last you have to give the value validation on. So these are the changes you have to made there. So after this, don't forget to click save. So in the page you have to go to training catalog. After saving, go to training catalog page, which is for me it is 5, for you it will differ. Okay, so like this also you can able to change your page numbers. You can go to your page number. So here I have made some changes here. What you have to do means, so in after this action, click right click on action and create action. The action name is primary actions, template is button, label is edit. Okay, so sequence whatever you want you can able to give. Type is redirect to page in this application. So what I have to redirect means, so the action, this should have to go to next page. The next page is create or edit that training tag catalog, right? So I'm giving the next page. You also should give the next page, not 6. According to your application what you are created, you have to give that page number. So next, right click on the body and click create button. So the button name is create. Here what you have to do, the label name is create training. So the region is training catalog and slot is above region. So here I am giving the type as redirect to page in the application as the same. And then next you have to go to dynamic action and click on the dialog box create dynamic action. So the name is dialog close and the event scope is static and the type is immediate. Event dialog, selection type JS, it is JavaScript expression. Into JavaScript expression, write it as document. So in the expression you have to write it as document. Okay, and then click OK and save it. Okay, so this is how you have to create a dynamic action in your page. Now right click on the so you can able to see, you can able to create a true action. Click on the true and right click, you can able to see create true action and give the name it as refresh, and the selection type is region is catalog, training catalog. So event is dialog close. So this is how you have to choose it. You have to create a dynamic action with true action. So I hope now you understood how to create this. So in the previous session we saw about basics initialization. So this is also we have created a 3 pages. So in the next session we will be learning how to create an email template. So these are the pages which I have created now. So administration page, in that we have created employee, department and training catalog. Don't look above the administration page. So after in the upcoming videos I will post you how to, I will upload the videos of how to do that also. First you have to create only this administration page which has employees, departments and training catalog. So application in the administration only we are having the employees, because according to their type of their workings, type of their department, we have to choose the employees. So for that we have created that. So this is how you have to create the page. So see you in the next video. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this.